Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Whilst thinning hair caused by male pattern baldness will not get thicker, again of its own accord, where telogen effluvium is the only issue, normal hair growth can resume without intervention, so the hair should return to its previous density within approximately 6 months.
Let's help you make your mark.
Thinning hair can be caused by many factors, including genes, diet, stress, and illness, says Lisa Salmon. Thinning hair isn't just a problem that men suffer with. Reasons for thinning hair can range from simple and temporary, such as a vitamin deficiency, to much more complex underlying health problems.
Let's help you make your mark.
Unhealthy hair follicles can result in hair growth that is thin, fine and weak at the roots. When hair follicles are damaged, they can shrink in size, resulting in thinner hair strands that are easily breakable. Try these remedies to thicken thin hair by improving hair follicle health.
Take our lead.
Remedies. Eggs. Share on Pinterest. An egg treatment may help to make hair look thicker. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 acids and other nutrients that are essential for overall health, including hair health. Proper nutrition. Orange puree, aloe gel, avocado, castor oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to get thicker hair. 5 different ways. Use a volumizing shampoo or thickening shampoo. Reach for thickening hair products. Eat a hair thickening diet. Exfoliate your scalp. Stay away from hot tools as much as possible.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.